that there is a mystery upper respiratory virus going around that lasts for weeks and weeks and weeks, and it sucks, and you're gonna get a bad cough. Nothing helps. No over the counters, no nothing you do. You can do a million things, steroids, antibiotics, all that, and nothing seems to help. It tends to have to want to work its course, but if you have asthma, it will exacerbate it more than likely, and that's no fun, and you'll end up in the ER needing fluid because you're going to be so tired. This virus also makes you very, very tired. Everything that they test for comes up negative. It is a thing. The ER nurses, the ER doctors, they've all told me, no, you're not crazy. This is something. It's something weird and we don't know what it is. Your typical things are not showing up positive. So be aware. It sucks. I can't